It's I Am Nubian with I Am Nubian Customs, and today we're gonna do a lash install on my little cousin. Don't mind my edges, it's like so hot right now. I done gelled them down like 3 times today and I'm over them. So we just out here today. I'm about to get it done though because my birthday is like in 4 days. I'm so excited, you guys. So yes, these are the lashes that she picked out from our local beauty supply. And I will be installing these with 30-second bond hair glue. If you don't know what that is, you can also get that at your local beauty supply as well. Not that expensive. I don't know. Different places I know charge different prices. So local beauty supply, find those products. And we just prepped her eyes. I took a white towel. You want to use a white towel. Hot water is hot as you can stand it. Get any of that dirt, grease, natural oils, all that off the eyes, and then you leave the other side dry so you can dry them off so your lashes aren't wet before we install. So this is what her natural lashes looks like. And I thought that was her natural bra, y'all. She said she only put a little something on there. I'm like, girl, they look so natural. Oh my god. So yes, and then we're gonna come back once I have one done. And then I'll show you guys when both are done as well. So when you take the lashes out of the pack, I'm trying to get my camera to focus. It might have a little bit of glue on it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tweezers. I don't know if you guys can see. Take your tweezers and you're gonna take that excess glue. You're gonna do this very gently, so that way you don't rip your lashes. And you don't want it to be where it's all clumped up on your eye, because I will be doing 2 coats of glue going to the band. So that should be good. It's not super clumped. And also what you want to do is you want to take your lash from edges, and don't mind my nails, you guys. I'm going to get my nails done. I know I'm over here looking bold. And you want to curve, so when you go to glue it, it curves to your natural eye line. A little bit better. So, take your glue. You want to do this in a space that you don't care about, really. Take off any excess. I'm going to do this on my vanity because it's going to rub right on. Make a little dab. Nothing too crazy. You're going to hold with the tip of the lash. And do a thin layer. And then you're going to blow or set for the fan. I got my ear on, so I'm probably just going to let the air blow on it. It's too hot to be doing all that huffing and puffing. You want a thin coat like this. Do a second coat. Looks like it's a little tacky. You want to make sure the glue is a little tacky because it prevents it from sliding, and also you don't want to burn your eye and have it burn. This is lash 1. This right up on her lash line. Can you open your eye, cousin? Can you blink for me? Alright. And we are done with lash number 2. Can you blink for me? Okay, hold your eyes open. Can you close them for me? I only do strips. I am learning how to do individuals at the moment. I am not licensed cosmetologist. However, if you would like for me to further my, talents, I charge $10, 15 and up, depending on what lashes you would want me to provide for you. And I am in the Lansing, Michigan area. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.